Today we're going to show you how to correct your posture within minutes. So you can go from this, to this right here. As you sit on your computer and hours go by, you're going to find yourself all of a sudden slouched forward. What's really wild about bad posture is that for every inch that your head goes forward this way, off this neutral plane, you're adding 10 pounds of weight on the upper back and neck area. And so many people have this issue. They go get the muscles worked on, they get an adjustment, but they don't fix the underlying cause, which we're going to get into today. After the exercise I'm going to show you today, you're going to be really surprised how your neck is going to feel really loose and your muscles on your upper back are just going to kind of really loosen up. And I think you're going to be surprised how much of that tension is connected just to your posture. So stay with me, because once you hear and understand what I'm going to talk about, you're never going to have this problem again. Number one, your real problem is not bad posture. It's not because of laziness. It's because of one thing called fascia. What is fascia? Fascia is a connective tissue that surrounds everything. It literally molds your entire body into whatever shape it is right now. And what it does is it adapts to whatever position you are in most of the time. And for most people, they're sitting behind a computer, probably like you are right now. But today we're going to show you how to undo it just a couple minutes every single night. So in this first exercise that I'm going to show you, I'm going to use the bands, but you can easily just use a broomstick or a pole. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to actually take the band and you're going to put this band in back of your head and pull it back like your shoulders back like this. And then you're going to slowly tilt to your right side. Okay, all the way to the right side. We're taking the fascia and we're stretching it and we're making it into a different shape. Okay, and then we're going to take it on the left side and do the same thing on this side right here. So if you have a broomstick or some type of stick or something like this, okay, we're just doing a lateral bending to the right, a lateral bending to the left, and you're just going to do 10 times each side as the first exercise. This is going to really open your ribs and the fascia on the front part of your chest that seems to be the culprit that's pulling you forward down like this. All right, now let's get to the second fascia exercise. We'll do the same thing we did before. So we're going to hold the band like this, but this time you're going to twist to the left, and then you're going to laterally flex down, okay? Just like this. Then you're going to twist to the right and laterally flex down. And you're simply going to do that 10 times each side. So what you're really doing is you're taking all the slack out of this wetsuit that you have, this connective fascia suit. We're taking all the tension out of it and we're just making it a little bit bigger. We're creating more space in the areas that are restricted. But then the next day when you wake up, you'll be sitting there and why am I completely sitting in a neutral position? I have no need to slouch. With this exercise, you might need to get one of these weighted clubs. They come in 10 pounds, 20 pounds, 15 pounds, 5 pounds, and I have them different weights, and you're going to be using this to add a little more tension when you do this stretch. You have your legs spread out, and you're holding this club above your head, going side to side as you're maintaining your shoulder posture over your hips, going to the right, going to the left, also looking up to the opposite side when you do that. But this really elongates a muscle called the latissimus dorsi and opens up your rib cage and the muscles around your shoulders. So do 10 times each side. So that would be a total of 20 left to right, left to right. And this next exercise is called the bowstring stretch. What you're going to do is take one leg, cross it over the other foot, and you're going to stretch in the opposite direction with your arm over your head. And then you're going to switch legs and do the opposite direction. Stretch over as far as you can, but you're going to repeat this back and forth. So you're stretching all the fascia on one side of your body, including through the hips, underneath your arm, and even through the rib cage on the side. So it really gives you a lot more space and elasticity on the left and right lateral parts of your body. Okay, this next exercise is one of my favorites. It's just basically a dead hang. You need a pull-up bar or you need some rings that you can hold on, but you're basically using your whole body weight to create a tractioning effect of all the fascia in your upper body, including around your scapula and your shoulders, underneath your shoulders and your neck. It's an amazing stretch for fascia, especially for your mid-back. But I would recommend doing it at least 30 seconds to a minute once a day. And this last one is an amazing stretch for your fascia. You're going to be kneeling down with both hands behind your upper buttocks, and you're going to be arching backwards, looking up, okay, as you do this. With this exercise, you're stretching all of the anterior or front part of your fascia on your thighs, through the front part of your hips, through your abdomen, through your upper chest. So you're reversing this entire forward posture to an amazing stretch where it's going to really pull you out of this posture. And you just need to do this like 10 repetitions, okay? And it creates a huge effect on your posture. When the front part of your body is like a rubber band, no matter what you do, it's just going to constantly pull you forward. But once you do these exercises, you're going to be able to just sit there comfortably and not have to use effort to sit up tall. Now, before you click away, do this one thing right now. I put something together called my personal daily routine, the one that actually makes me feel like I'm 18 years old, despite being 60 years old. And I put this all in one printable page. It's a checklist, and it's 100% free, and you can click it in the download in the description, print it out, put it on your refrigerator, and follow it every single day. And the last thing I want to mention is I have another awesome video on posture with different exercises. And if you haven't seen this one, you got to check it out. I put it up right here. Click it, watch it.